Hi, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes Linux. Today we are going to see how to set the hostname in Linux server without rebooting the server. So let us start. First we need to open the console. So we have taken the console. So this is the console for the machine I have created in Oracle VirtualBox. So the command for setting the hostname is hostname ctl. So let me clear this screen. So the command for the hostname setting is hostname ctl space set hostname, and we need to give the hostname our preferred name. So I will give as server 1, and we can set this as static by static. So by this way we can set the hostname, but you can see that the hostname is not reflecting. Still it is showing as localhost. So we need to execute the command exec bash. So now if you check, the local host is changed to server 1. In this way we can change the hostname without rebooting the server. Thank you for watching this video.